Hello everybody. The crevice tool of our vacuum system recently cracked. You can see a crack right across here. I've super glued it together, but as we know, all adhesives are temporary. Some more temporary than others. And what I'm going to do is a trick I've shown you before in my other videos, and that is to take a piece of PVC. I'm just going to heat it up. It's approximately the same diameter, just a little bit smaller than this diameter right here. I'm going to heat it up with my heat gun and slip it on. This thing's a little bit toasty still, but it won't twist off, and this is never going to break again. It might break somewhere else, but it's not going to break here. Hey, if you like this idea or you found it at all helpful or informative, I'd really appreciate a subscription. And good luck and thanks for watching.